An adult body has 5 liters of blood containing approximately 1,500 crores of platelets. Your heart pumps all these 1,500 crores of platelets through all the organs of your body, including the knee, shoulder, elbow, once every minute. If your knee has a disease or condition that can be helped by platelets, then almost all the 1,500 crores of platelets will settle there and help with the healing. This is how our body naturally works. Some people, who may or may not be eligible to treat this disease, are falsely and unethically claiming that they are introducing new revolutionary treatment called PRP to treat knee arthritis. Hey, we have found a miracle treatment! 10 milliliters of blood drawn from patient arm. In this 10 milliliters of blood, approximately we have 3 crores platelets. This is processed in a machine called a centrifuge. The centrifuge machine separates this blood into plasma containing platelets and red blood cells. This platelet-rich plasma containing approximately about 2.5 crore platelets. This PRP injection is injected into the affected knee joint. In natural method, 1,500 crores, 600 times more than PRP injection of platelets pass through your knee and effect on your knee. In PRP injection, only 2.5 crores platelets injected in your knee. Is PRP a new development? No, PRP has been used from 1970s, that is more than 50 years ago. Does cartilage grow with PRP injection? No, cartilage does not grow with PRP. In fact, there is evidence you may lose cartilage. Is PRP permanent treatment? Absolutely false statement. What is the cost of PRP injection? If given by qualified doctor, it usually does not cost more than 10,000 rupees. Who is qualified doctor? To treat osteoarthritis of knee and give injection. Orthopedic surgeons and rheumatologists are the professionally and legally qualified doctors to treat osteoarthritis. PRP injection has no significant benefit in arthritis treatment. Cartilage does not grow with PRP injection. Please beware of fraudulent claims and save yourself.